Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run TikTok ads easily. First, navigate to the TikTok Ads Manager platform and create a new ad account for your business, which is a straightforward process. This initial step is absolutely crucial for establishing your online presence effectively. Additionally, ensure your payment method is accurately configured and verified. This prepares you for seamless campaign execution right away. Being properly set up from the beginning saves time and effort later on. Next, choose a clear campaign objective that aligns with your business goals, whether it is increasing reach, driving traffic, or generating conversions. Setting your budget comes next, where you can opt for a daily or lifetime amount, perhaps starting with $50 daily. Understand the delivery options. Standard spreads your budget, while accelerated spends it faster, so pick what suits your strategy best. These foundational decisions will guide your entire campaign. Pinpointing your target audience is essential for success. You can use demographic targeting to specify age ranges, for example, 18 to 35, and gender. Furthermore, reach users based on their expressed interests and behaviors directly on the TikTok platform, refining your selection. For advanced strategies, consider creating custom audiences for remarketing or building lookalike audiences to expand your reach efficiently. This focused approach ensures your ads are seen by the most relevant people. Your ad creative is paramount for capturing attention on TikTok. Focus on producing high-quality, short-form video content that feels native to the platform, perhaps lasting 15 to 20 seconds. Incorporate trending sounds and popular effects to increase engagement and relatability. Experiment with various ad formats, such as standard and feed videos or the impactful top view placements, to discover what resonates best with your audience. Engaging visuals and audio are key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.